Hi, you guys. I'm back at you again with another selection, and the selection is by Angie Stone. It's called No More Rain in This Cloud. There's no hiding place when someone has hurt you. It's written on your face and reads, broken spirit, lost and confused, empty, scared, used and abused, a fool. Oh, ain't it funny that the way you feel shows on your face, and the smile you used to wear, it seems a little bit out of place. 'Cause my sunshine has come, and I'm all cried out, and there's no more rain in this cloud. More rain has come, baby, and I'm all cried out, and there's no more rain in this cloud. So you want to leave, and to you I shall give all the space that you've requested. Hope you don't live to regret it. So you say you're in your prime, baby, don't waste your time. Remember my love, it's only at the end line. My sunshine, and I'm all cried out, I'm all cried out. There's no more rain, baby, and I'm all cried out, and there's no more rain in this cloud. Spring has come and winter's gone on by. Don't look around for me, child, I'll be gone. I'm not afraid, seasons has changed. I'm gonna count my blessings and just follow the sun. My sunshine has come, and I'm all cried out, and there's no more rain in this cloud. My sunshine has come, baby, cried out, and there's no more rain in this cloud. So you all, I hope you all like that. Like, subscribe, comment below, and tell me what you guys think. And almost every day I'll be posting about 2 videos. So right now, I don't have no music behind me, but believe me, I'm working on it. So thank you. Enjoy this. Peace and blessings. Holla.